Hello dear viewers and followers, you all are invited to watch my video. Those who are interested to practice narration, the changing method of direct speech into indirect speech, English grammar. I hope that my video will be helpful to them. Needs no telling. During this pandemic period, most of the students are staying at home. They are suffering from mental depression and they do not have the chance to go to schools and colleges, educational institutions. So, in order to help them, I have prepared my videos and published through my YouTube channel, K Mondal YouTube channel, online digital class. Dear viewers, initially I want to advise you and request you to subscribe my channel and share my video. Press the bell icon so that my next video you can easily watch and you can hear my lecture. Let us discuss the sentences. Direct speech. The principal said to the students, go through the book attentively. It is imperative sentence. As it is imperative sentence, reporting verb said will be changed as advised. Imperative sentence, if it is imperative sentence, reporting verb will be changed advised, request, ordered, commanded according to the meaning. The principal said to the students, go through the book attentively. It is advised. So, the principal advised the students to go through the book attentively. Inverted comma will be omitted and there will be to as conjunction infinitive to. And the verb will be present form. We must know after to, infinitive to, the verb becomes in its base form, that is present form, present base form. Okay. So, what will be? The principal said to the students, go through the book attentively. It will be the principal advised the students to go through the book attentively. Okay. Next. Number 3. Number 2. Sorry. Direct speech. The chief of the army said to the soldiers, go ahead. It is ordered. Okay. The chief of the army always orders the soldiers. So, it is imperative sentence also. And there will be said to will be changed into ordered or commanded. The chief of the army ordered or commanded the soldiers to go ahead, as it is the first sentence. Okay. Next, number 3. Direct speech. The commander said to the soldiers, shoot the enemy by this time. It is also commanded. Orders. Okay. The commander said to the soldiers, what will be? The commander ordered the or commanded the soldiers to shoot the enemy by this time, by that time. This time will be that time. Because we must know, if the reported speech becomes in correspondent form and if the reporting verb is past tense, the reported speech will be correspondent past tense and the nearest word will be the farthest word. Here, there, this, that, these, those, today, that day, tonight, that night, yesterday, the previous day, last night, the previous night. So, now, then, this, that. So, by this time will be changed into by that time. Okay. Again, the commander said to the soldiers, shoot the enemy by this time. What will be? The commander ordered or commanded the soldiers to shoot the enemy by that time. Okay. Next. Direct speech. Number 4. The woman said to her, did I do the work for you last night? It is question mark, an interrogative sentence. As it is interrogative sentence, the reporting verb said will be changed into asked or inquired. The woman asked her if conjunction because there is no WH. Who is, what, where. There is no WH. If there is no WH or interrogative pronoun, there will be if or whether as conjunction. If or whether as conjunction. I first person will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb, the woman. So there will be she pronoun, nominative case, within bracket woman. She indicates woman. So there will be woman within first bracket. For you second person will be changed according to the object of reporting verb her. So there will be her. You will be changed at her because you object. So her, she object, her. The what will be? The woman asked her if or whether she had done the work for her the previous night. Did past tense. We must know if the reporting verb is past tense, the reported speech, the tense of reported speech will be corresponding past tense. So, past indefinite will be past perfect tense. So, there will be had and past participle of main verb or third form of main verb, do, done. What will be? The woman asked her if or whether she had done the work for her the previous night. Last night will be the previous night. Next. Number 5. Direct speech. They said, let us finish the work now. It is proposal. Let us, it is proposal. As it is proposal, said will be changed into proposed. They proposed that they should finish the work then. As first person, after as first person, after let, as objective case, but it is functioning as subject, we. The hidden meaning is we, but it is functioning as subject. The form is object because there is let as verb. After let, there is objective case, but it is functioning as subject. So what will be? Let will be omitted. So as will be nominative case. How? As first person will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb they. Inverted comma will be omitted. There will be that and said will be proposed. So they proposed that as will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb they. There will be they. Why they? Because after let there is objective case, but it is functioning as nominative case. So there will be they as subject. Okay. Let will be should because let refers to proposal. Let will be should. If let refers to request, it will be might be allowed to. Here let is proposal. The let means proposal, so there will be should. they propose that they should finish the work then. Now will be then, nearest word will be farthest word. Now, then, here, there, come hither, go there, come here, go there. Yesterday, the previous day, tomorrow the next day, today that day, tonight that night, etc. Okay. So, dear students and learners, you all are requested to subscribe my channel and share my video so that the other learners and viewers, your classmates, may be benefited through my published video, which I have published through my K Mondal YouTube channel. You can visit my channel, and there are so many videos that will be helpful to you. So you are advised to watch my video. I wish you every success in life. Stay at home and take care of your health, and try to practice at home, which I have published for you. May God bless you. No more today. Thank you.